Hi, my name is Jenna Domeyer, and this is my video assignment for topic 4 on project-based learning. The unit that I will be discussing in this video is the measurement unit in mathematics, specifically geared towards grades 3 or 4. The projects being incorporated into this unit would be measuring for recipes or measuring for building instructions. Project-based learning is engaging in this aspect because it shows students the real-world usage of what they are learning, which is measurements. It allows students to see how what they're learning in the classroom can translate to what they are doing at home or what they might be doing for a future career. In the influence of project-based learning on student achievement in elementary mathematics education, the authors wrote, project-based learning gives students the opportunity to learn content within a context, to use previous knowledge, and to collaborate with other students. There is also an opportunity of integration of different disciplines through one project. This project-based learning is challenging to students because it requires students to use knowledge from other content areas. For example, what different foods are, how putting two things together makes something else. It brings a lot of science into the math. And these projects flow through Bloom's taxonomy through each level. In the remembering level, students are memorizing the measurements they need or reading a recipe. In the understanding level, students find the meaning of the information they are reading. They understand what it means when it asks for tablespoon versus teaspoon. At the applying level, students use their knowledge of which measuring tool to use and when to use it. And in the analyzing level, students can explain why certain ingredients go first, like why you would put dry ingredients before wet ingredients for certain recipes, or wet ingredients before dry in others. In the evaluating level, students can see if what they made was correct or incorrect. If they're making a pie, they can see if their pie came out the right color or the right consistency. They can also determine if it tastes good. And finally, in the creating level, this allows students to combine their knowledge of different content areas to create a meal or a food item. Through project-based learning and through this unit in particular, students will learn to follow a recipe and use the correct measurements for a meal or a food item. Students will learn how to accurately measure and when to use which measuring tool.